Boom, like right over your camera.
Bryce.
Wow, is that the droid?
Yeah, it is somewhat.
It's loud?
Well, not like loud, but like it's. I jumped the first time I heard it because I wasn't looking.
He has just like one more flip back, please. I just want to be on the safe side.
What's up, Bryce?
Hey, Henry, here's the first piece.
Boom. That was pathetic.
That was rad.
That was not as good as the first one. The first one literally like shot up in the air.
How do you know this?
Because I watched it at lunch.
Oh, sorry, bro. Cookie bag. Boy. Baby. Stand right over it.
Woo! Woo! Fireworks!
Chemistry rules.
Science!
Chemistry rules.
You missed last time you tried to throw something in.
Yeah, we already
got nothing on this.
Son.
Quick, go pick it up!
3-second rule. Asian people.
I want this shit to blow up.
That was perfect. I want the shit to blow up.
That makes me stupid for saying chemistry rules.
Oh my god. That was
That was fucking good, man. Jeez!
Oh my god.